Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sous Vide Experience. Today we're going to be cooking up some amazing ribeye steaks, and I promise you, after you watch this, you're never going to need to go to a steakhouse ever again. These things are cooked through perfectly. Every bite's amazing. Can't wait to show you. Let's check it out. So I'm just going to take my steak here. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder to taste, and then I'm just going to pat that all in. Then I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to do the other side just the same. Pat it in, and I'm going to get all of the sides covered as well, make sure they're all seasoned. Then I'm going to put it into the bag, add my thyme, then vacuum seal it. Alright, these steaks are ready to go in the bath. We're going to do these at 131 degrees to get a nice medium rare steak, and we're going to do it for about 2.5 hours. So can't wait to see what they look like on the other side. Alright, these steaks are all ready to go. I know they don't look awesome right now, but we're going to pat these things real dry and then throw them on the cast iron skillet for a quick sear. They're going to be amazing. Now's the moment of truth. I'm gonna taste this steak. It smells incredible, I assume, and well, I know it's gonna taste just as good as it smells. Can't wait to try this. So juicy, just putting my fork into it. That's unbelievable. You can really taste the garlic coming through really well, but it's not too strong. It just adds a really nice flavor to this steak. And as you can see, it's cooked perfectly through all the way. That sear just gives it a nice brown coat right around the edges. Everything else is medium rare. Like I said, with a sous vide, it's cooking it perfectly at 131 degrees all throughout, and then that sear just gives it that nice coat on top, that nice crust. Man, this was amazing, huge success. You have to try this in your house. Like I said at the very start, you literally will never need to go to a steakhouse ever again. This steak, it turns out perfect every time. I've never had a bad steak with sous vide. Check out the description. I'll add in some different tips and advice. If you don't have different things like a cast iron skillet, you can use a normal pot, for example. I'll leave all this stuff in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this, please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.